So this is the first transit van we ever made. And a separate controller for the AC. Whereas like now you get the whole touchscreen all in one thing. Definite upgrade from this.
I want you guys to get a visual on the folks who I have the pleasure of working with day in and day out and who have made all of this work.
For making honey cotton, the rain is only waterfall.
You know, as soon as I had the opportunity to get a storyteller, you know, I sold my other van and got a storyteller. So.
The storyteller community is amazing. I've met so many amazing people. Everybody is extremely helpful.
It feels really secure. It's a good feeling.
Sun is only slow and constant.
We thought that we were releasing people to pursue a more adventurous life for themselves. And then we discovered we're all traveling and exploring. We need each other.
Like, we're going to continue to grow and evolve and improve, and we're going to continue to use every beat of our heart and every resource we have at our disposal to grow and expand our community and to bring as many people along for that journey as we can. By the time people realize that we put our flag in the moon, like, we're going to be heading on to Mars.